Coming down a busy three-lane road around 6 p.m. in the evening, and a white minivan cuts off a gray minivan, which is hard to tell because of the two cars in the middle lane, but just wait, it's gonna get better. So gray minivan decides to get over a lane. White minivan is pissed, cuts him off, and then we get up to this light here. Gray minivan trying to get over to the right. Let that white minivan know how mad they are. Give them a piece of their mind. So now they're side by side, probably yelling at each other. And then gray minivan decides to give it back, cut off the white minivan. And now they're in the middle lane. I'm coming up on them in the left lane. I decide to hang back a little bit because I don't want to be a part of this. And then white minivan tries to get over left. Gray minivan says no. White minivan goes back. Gray minivan says, I will get into an accident. I will cause an accident before I let you get around me and get away. So they're weaving back and forth between the middle lane and the left lane. I'm just hanging back, giving plenty of following distance, as I should anyways, watching the chaos unfold as it escalates and starts to ramp up. We get up to this red light, and they are pissed. They are trying to get around, switching lanes, NASCAR style. Me and this Prius, we are laughing our heads off because they are so pissed off, so furious at each other. Okay, red light goes away, we get through it, and they are just absolutely trying to brake check each other, trying to cause an accident, trying to get the other one to hit them to say it's their fault. And then we get up on the exit for 95 South on the right. Gray minivan decides to cut all the way over to the right, I guess to get away from white minivan. White minivan follows, tries to cut him off, barely misses the exit. There's a little barrier there. And they give each other one final choice words, and that is it. So minivan madness.